Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Power. This video is about showing a number as irrational number by proof of contradiction. Let us take one example. If root 2 is the number, we all know that root 2 is an irrational number, but how to show that this root 2 is an irrational number? By proof of contradiction, we solve this. So here let us assume root 2 as rational. So when we assume it as rational, root 2 can be written as some p by q where p and q belongs to integers, q is non-zero and p, q are coprimes. So what do you mean by these coprimes? Coprimes are the numbers which has only one common factor and that is 1. Now this can be rewritten as q root 2 is equal to p. On squaring both sides, we get q root 2 whole square is equal to p square, that is q square into root 2 whole square is equal to p square. Square and root get cancelled. Now this can be written as 2q square is equal to p square. Now this 2 into q square is nothing but p square. This implies 2 is a factor of p square, that is 2 divides p square. So 2 is also a factor of p. When 2 is a factor of p square, definitely it should be a factor of p. That is 2 divides p also. Then let us assume this p equal to some 2r, where r is an integer. So which implies p square will be nothing but 2r whole square, that is p square is equal to 4r square. We have 2q square is equal to p square. In place of p square, if you substitute 4r square, then here you observe that q square is 2r square. Then 2 is a factor of q square, that is 2 divides q square. So when 2 is a factor of q square, obviously 2 is also a factor of q, that is 2 divides q, which indicates that 2 is a factor of both p and q, that is 2 divides both p and q. But we said that p and q are coprimes. So this contradicts with root 2 is equal to P by Q where P, Q are coprimes. Therefore, root 2 is not a rational number. We write root 2 is not rational. When root 2 is not rational, it is irrational. What if another type of number is to be shown as irrational? 2 minus root 3 is irrational. How to show that 2 minus root 3 is irrational? Let us assume 2 minus root 3 as rational first. When we assume it as rational, 2 minus root 3 is equal to P by Q. Then 2 P by Q, bring it to the left side, it will become minus P by Q. Minus root 3, take it to the other side, it will become plus root 3. 2 minus P by Q is equal to root 3. That says that now 2 is a rational number, P by Q is a rational number, root 3 is an irrational number. But here this says that this is a rational number and this is also a rational number. But root 3 is a rational is false. Root 3 is irrational. So according to the given one, 2 minus P by Q and root 3 are rationals, but root 3 is an irrational number. So we write that this contradicts with 2 minus root 3 is rational. So we write 2 minus root 3 is irrational. Thank you.